Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here I'll show you how to send video notes on WhatsApp with a lots of effects. So here what we'll do is simply go to WhatsApp and for example this is the person whom I want to send video notes. So for video note what you need to do is simply go to this camera option in the bottom and simply click here and you can see this image of mine will come up as the front image, and here what you need to do is simply go to video note. On video note a round kind of circle will come up and you need to just you should show your face over here, and here you can see there are some options. Like if I go here, click here, you can see all the options of effects, that is effects, filters, background, all of these things will come. You see effects, you can see this thing, lot of heart shaped things are coming up on the surface of my camera, and here you can see all kinds of funny things will come up. And if you go to filters, you can simply go gray style, yellowish, all these filters will come up, and I'll go for no effects. Yeah, so now I'll go to filters. Now if you want to change your background here, simply click on this background. Once you click on background, you are on background right now. You can choose whatever background you want. You want to blur your background, you can blur it, although my background is already white so it will not have much of effect. Create with AI. So I go to this background, you can see my background is immediately getting cut, but I am not getting that kind of accurate effect because my background is not complete white. It has some features, so it needs to be completely of a singular color so that the phone recognizes that it is your face. It's okay. If I go for next background, the background is just changing. For example, I like this sunset background. No, not the sunrise. Yeah, this is quite bright. I'll stick with this. So let me freeze it and start. Once again, if I press, then this thing will start recording, and it is starting. You can see 0607, all these things, all the this timer has started noting down my time, and if I simply press here, it will stop. So my video note is ready. I can write something well before sending. Video note sent, and you can see the note has been sent to the person I wanted to send. So if I click here, once again if I press, then this thing will. So this is how you send video note with a lot of effects, especially with change of background, images, funny faces, funny effects. If you want to add up in your video note and make it more and more creative, funny, something different instead of that just that boring video note to your friends. So friends, that's it. I hope I knew something useful today, something interesting. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel to get more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.